Hi, my name is Ismail Sardari. I am CEO of Saftech Engineering Works. Welcome to Marhaba Gulf. We are Saftech Engineering. We are a job shop operating in UAE for past 31 years. We are located in Ras Al Khaimah. Our simple concept, you design it, we make it. We are a job shop doing contract manufacturing. These are some of the examples. Over the years, we have done for customers. We handle all kinds of materials: steel, stainless steel, alloy steels, plastics, anything machinable. We do forging, press working, full range of activities. Past 31 years of our journey, we started from a manual machine shop, slowly introduced CNC machines. Those CNC machines in the earlier days we used to program by hand. Then we graduated to CAM technology. We used various softwares in CAM technology and ultimately landed on SolidCAM, which is a high-end software where we can program from our 2-axis machines to multi-axis machines. Mill turns is ease, 5-axis, excellent. We get very good machine short cycle times, which saves us a lot of time, and we stay competitive in the market.